Hello. Every time I see fruits of Rutaceae family, for example this Arixa, a wonderful plant with very unusual leaf arrangement, phyllotaxis, 2 leaves on the left, 2 leaves on the right. So every time when I see fruits of Rutaceae family, except fruits of citruses, I always start to think how to correspond these fruits with what we see in, for example, typical citrus, orange or others. But it's easy. So you see fruit of Arixa. This is apocarpic fruit, which contain 3 different fruitlets. And these fruitlets correspond with pistils of the flowers, because pistils in flowers of Arixa are separate from each other, secondary apocarpic. And each of them will grow into the small fruit-like structure, the fruitlet. So this fruitlet corresponds with one part of citrus fruit. So if you open citrus fruits and separate them, you will see very similar structures, juicy ones, which are edible. In that case, they are not juicy and separated from the start. They are not surrounded with any envelope outside. So fruit of citrus and fruit of Arixa have many things in common, but fruit of citrus have additional cover, where fruit of Arixa have just open air, and parts of these fruits are visible openly, whereas fruits of citrus should be cut or cleaned or peeled to see the structure within. Fruit of citrus is interesting demonstration, by the way, of how to make fleshy fruit from dry fruits like this one. So fruits of citrus are highly secondary in that way, and more ancestral fruits for all family of Rutaceae are fruits like these ones of Arixa. These are apocarpic fruits, dry apocarpic fruits, again typical for Rutaceae family. There is one more thing which I remember when I see Arixa. Not only phyllotaxis, not only fruit, but also the name. Because Arixa, maybe the name resulted from mistake. Because the Japanese name of Arixa is Kokusagi. And Thunberg, who described Arixa, he probably mean that he used a native Japanese name. But in Japan, this plant never ever was called Arixa. So probably this is kind of mistake or mishearing, and Arixa start to be attached to the plant, simply a result of some mishearing in the past. Anyway, I like the name Arixa, and Kokusagi is also a good name. And this is small video which is made in Kamogahata Valley. This is valley north of Kyoto on May 25th, and Arixa is already in fruits. This is one of them, quite visible because of glossy leaves. Leaves also very odorate. Thank you very much.